Crypto coins have been in the spotlight for the past few years and their price movements have been rather unpredictable. In fact, it can be quite frustrating to keep track of them for long periods of time. As a result, most people tend to sell off their holdings once they lose interest or after a short period of time. However, this is the worst thing that you could do if you want to safeguard your capital for the long term. Cryptocurrencies are built to offer a quick return, which makes them ideal for speculating as well as gambling. However, they're not designed to provide a stable return over the long term. Even though they may seem like they're going downhill very rapidly right now, there are plenty of cryptocurrencies that are poised to grow in the coming months and years. In this blog post we will discuss some of the best long-term crypto coins that you should consider holding if you want to secure your capital for several years into the future. The prices of these coins may be low right now, but they promise great returns over the long term as well as several decades from now. It's always better to invest money in something that has a solid chance at growing than risking it on an unfamiliar project with a high risk of ending up with nothing at all. Bitcoin, BTC. Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency that people associate with the blockchain technology. It's the most famous and well-known of all the cryptocurrencies in the world. While it's true that BTC has seen a lot of volatility over the past few years, it has also demonstrated a lot of stability as well. It's also one of the few cryptocurrencies that are accepted all over the world. In fact, it's the most widely used digital currency. It's not profitable to mine BTC yourself. But you can buy it on a cryptocurrency exchange and store it. Bitcoin is fairly inflationary as it's designed to have a finite supply of 21 million coins. It's currently trading at $6,700 as of this writing, but it experienced much higher prices not so long ago. It's a great long-term investment due to its proven track record and wide adoption. Ethereum, ETH. Ethereum is one of the newer cryptocurrencies that was created with the intention of improving on the characteristics of Bitcoin. It's also one of the most promising cryptocurrencies in the world that has a great future ahead of it. Ethereum is not controlled by any single entity or government, and it doesn't rely on a centralized infrastructure to function. It's designed to support a decentralized app ecosystem that allows users to create their own decentralized applications. As the ecosystem evolves and matures, it's expected to become a useful tool for a wide range of industries. It's currently trading at $135 per unit, so it's a great investment opportunity with a relatively low risk profile. NEO. NEO is one of the newest cryptocurrencies in the world that's also trying to disrupt the ecosystem of traditional financial institutions. It functions as a smart economy platform that allows developers to create their own decentralized applications. It's currently the 8th most valuable cryptocurrency in the world, and it's expected to continue growing in the coming years. It's quite expensive right now at $169 per unit. But it's expected to experience a sharp decline over the next few months as the market matures a bit. Litecoin. Litecoin is another popular cryptocurrency that has been in existence for a very long time. It was created with the intention of offering a high level of transaction speed as well as lower processing and transaction fees than Bitcoin. In fact, it's currently the 8th most valuable cryptocurrency in the world. It's a great long-term investment opportunity with a relatively low risk profile. Over the long term, it's expected to outperform most of its competitors due to its strong adoption by merchants and its ability to offer faster processing times as well as lower transaction fees. Today, one LTC costs around $38 per unit, but it's been experiencing volatile price movements in the past few months. Ripple, XRP. Ripple is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies in the world today. It's designed to support international transactions, and it's expected to continue growing and experiencing high market cap growth in the coming years. It's currently the 5th most valuable cryptocurrency in the world, and 1 unit of XRP costs around $3.50 at the moment. It's quite profitable to mine XRP. But it's not worth it for regular people. If you want to invest in XRP for the long term, you should prefer buying it on an exchange and holding it for several years. It's an excellent long-term investment opportunity with a relatively low risk profile. Cardano. Cardano is another promising long-term investment opportunity with a great long-term growth potential. It's currently ranked as the 6th most valuable cryptocurrency in the world, and it's designed to support a wide range of industries. It's quite expensive right now at 40 cents per unit. but it's expected to experience a sharp decline over the next few months as the market matures a bit. It's one of the best long-term investment opportunities due to its great long-term growth potential, intelligent team, and solid growth record. It's worth noting that Cardano had an extremely volatile price movement in the past few months due to the upcoming ADA hard fork. However, it's expected to experience a steady upward growth in the coming years. Tether USD and coin tokens. Tether is another popular cryptocurrency that's designed to offer dollar-pegged cryptocurrency pairs. Notably, it's often referred to as a stablecoin, as it's supposed to maintain a stable value against the US dollar. It's currently ranked as the 10th most valuable cryptocurrency in the world, and it's expected to grow in the future. It's quite expensive right now at $1.40 per unit. But it's expected to experience a sharp decline over the next few months as the market matures a bit. Coin is a token that's issued by Tether Company. It's designed to run various kinds of smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. It's currently ranked as the 10th most valuable cryptocurrency in the world, and it's expected to experience a steady upward growth in the future. Binance Coin, BNB. Binance is one of the most well-known cryptocurrency exchanges in the world today due to its high trading volume and low trading fees. It's currently ranked as the third most valuable cryptocurrency in the world, and it's designed to support decentralized application trading. It's quite expensive right now at $22 per unit. But it's expected to experience a steady upward growth in the future. Binance offers a wide range of trading pairs that includes a number of popular cryptocurrencies as well as financial instruments such as stocks and mutual funds. It's a great long-term investment opportunity with a relatively low-risk profile. Final words. Even though the cryptocurrency market has been experiencing great volatility, you can earn decent returns if you invest in the right long-term coins. The best long-term coins are those that have great growth potential, support a wide range of industries, and are relatively cheaper compared to other cryptocurrencies. We recommend keeping some of the best long-term coins in your long-term investment portfolio such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Neo, Litecoin, Ripple, Cardano, and Tether USD.